Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek, aka Raja Mexico. Okay, without any further talk, let's do the walkthrough. And this is my right foot, yeah. Okay, got it? My right foot, yeah. One, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and section 2. Guys, section 2, yeah, okay. One, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and wall 2. Okay, wall 2, yeah. And this is my right foot. Okay, one, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and one, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and. Now I'm going to repeat from section 1 to section 2 facing camera, and this is my right foot, okay? 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Okay guys, but there is 2 take, yeah? Take 1, 6 count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and. I will repeat. Take 1, yeah. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and. Now take 2, only 4 count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now take 2 facing camera. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, that's all. I like it. Don't forget, please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.